In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial into Perplexity AI. We'll be going over how to sign up, all the different features, tips and tricks, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To sign up, we simply need to go to Perplexity.ai. From here, we will be prompted to sign up in the bottom right. If not, we can click sign in on the bottom left. From here, we have the option to sign up with a Google or Apple account. Alternatively, we can sign up using an email address. For this, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Once in, we need to click Start Using Perplexity. Then we'll be asked which plan we would like to sign up to. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the free version of Perplexity, so that's what I'm going to select. We now have the option to install the Perplexity app on our computer or smartphone. This can be done further down the line, so I'm going to select Continue. We can now start using Perplexity AI. Just like most AI chatbots, we'll be presented with the main prompt box in the middle of the screen. Within the prompt box, we have a variety of different buttons. We'll be going over what all of these do later on in the video. On the left, if we hover over the plus icon, this will reveal a window where our chat history will be stored. By default, Perplexity will be on search, which allows it to provide real-time answers to your questions and queries based on information it finds on the web. I'm simply going to start typing. As you can see, it is providing related search queries that other users may have entered. Now I'm going to click enter. Within seconds, it has come back with a response. It has provided the answer to our query. Then above that, it has provided some sources which it got its information from for the response that it provided. If we click on the sources tab at the top, it will provide a full list of the websites it got its information from. Then if we click the next tab, which is tasks, it will outline all the steps it used to get the answer. At the top are a few prompts which are related to the initial prompt which we entered. We can use these by simply clicking on them, and Perplexity will provide an answer for each prompt you clicked on. If we hover over the plus icon again, we can see that our chat has been saved here. We can use the three dots on each chat to delete it. Now going back to the main chat page, next to search on the prompt box is a button called research. When selected, this will activate Perplexity's deep research feature. With deep research activated, any prompt you enter, Perplexity will conduct a fuller expert level research for you. It will read hundreds of different sources from the web and compile its findings into a clear, comprehensive report for you. To test this feature, I'm simply going to type, please provide a detailed, up-to-date comparison between the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24. Include key features and specifications, recent user and expert reviews, performance, camera quality, battery life, pricing, pros and cons, and a summary of which phone is better suited for different types of users. In the matter of seconds, it has come back with a full report comparing the two phones mentioned. It has started by listing the key features and specs of both in a table format. Then it has listed bullet points for both phones for all the different factors that we mentioned. Then the pros and cons list for both phones. Then it has provided a table which states which phone is better for different users. And finally, a summary. Right at the bottom is also a list of related queries. Going back to the main prompt box, the first button on the right of the prompt box displays all the different language models that you can switch between. These all have different purposes and strengths. Type model in the comment section below if you would like me to create a video comparing all of these different language models. Next to that is a button which allows us to set sources that Perplexity is allowed to use when providing answers to our prompts. By default, this is set to web, but we can also select academic, so it is able to take information from academic papers. We also have social as an option, which allows it to use discussions and opinions in its responses. Next to that, we have a staple icon, which gives us the ability to upload a variety of different files, such as text files, PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and much more. To test this, I'm simply going to upload this spreadsheet, which contains a population of different cities. Then I'm going to ask, based on the information in this spreadsheet, what is the difference in population between London and Tokyo? It has started off by extracting the relevant data from the spreadsheet and then calculating the difference. Perplexity also has the ability to process and understand images. I'm going to upload this image and ask, what is this of? Within seconds, it has come back and successfully worked out that this is an image of an aloe vera plant, and has even provided some additional information that may be useful to use. Moving on, the next button is dictation. This allows you to speak to Perplexity in order to enter your prompt. Then next to that is a button which activates voice mode. This allows you to have a back and forth conversation with Perplexity. On the left sidebar, if we hover over Discover, it will bring up a variety of different topics. If we click on any of these articles, it will bring it up on a large screen. On the right, you can see all the topics that are mentioned in the article and skip straight to that part. Underneath Discover is a button which brings up Spaces, which is one of Perplexity's features that allows you to organise, search and create content using your own files and web sources. If you would like me to make a full video about Perplexity Spaces or any of the features mentioned, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.